Stay focused, connected, and entertained with the perfect companion, Android Auto, in your new Mazda. And with Android Auto, it's easy to get where you need to go. Start by pushing the Nav shortcut button next to the controller knob to quickly access the Google Maps screen. Use Google Assistant to dictate what you're looking for.
Find nearby restaurants.
A list of results will appear on the screen. Scroll through the list, select your choice, then press Start. Google Maps will map your route from there. Now let's say you have a specific address. Use Google Assistant in your car's microphone. Just say the address, and Google Maps will find it.
Navigate to Mayflower Circle.
Confirm the address, and Google Maps will calculate your route from there. You have the ability to zoom in and out of maps while using Android Auto. You can ask Google Assistant to do it by voice command, or scroll to select the plus or minus buttons on the map screen. As you can see, finding your way with Android Auto and Google Maps is as easy as you'd expect.